In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify Spotlight theme to the Dawn theme. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can safely switch themes without feeling lost. By the end, you'll know how to add Dawn to your store, customize it, and then publish it when you're ready. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to your theme area, which is often called your theme library. Here, you'll see your current active theme, which in this case is Spotlight, and any other themes you've added before. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page. On the bottom right, you'll see a section where you can explore more themes. Just below that, there's a button that says Visit Theme Store. Click that button to open the Shopify theme store in a new view. Inside the Shopify theme store, look to the top right corner for the search icon. Click on the search icon, and in the search box that appears, type Dawn. Shopify will show you search results related to that keyword. From those options, select the Dawn theme. This is Shopify's flagship free theme, so it should appear right away. Once you're on the Dawn theme page, you'll see a button to add it to your store. It may say Try Theme or something similar if you don't have Dawn yet. Click that button, and Shopify will start adding Dawn to your theme library. Wait a few moments while it installs. When it's done, Shopify will automatically redirect you back to your theme library. Back in the library, scroll down until you see the Dawn theme in your list of available themes. On the right side of the Dawn theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can customize Dawn before you make it live. Inside the theme editor, you'll notice a few main areas. At the top, there's a page selector that lets you switch between different templates, like your homepage, product pages, and collections. On the right, you'll see a live preview of your store. On the left, you'll find a list of sections and blocks that make up your page layout. Take your time going through each section and block on the left panel. Click on them to expand their editing options. Here you can change text, images, headings, buttons, and layout settings so that Dawn matches your brand and content. You can switch between different pages in the selector at the top to make sure everything looks the way you want across your store. As you make adjustments, remember that your changes are not live yet. You're just working in the editor. When you're happy with how Dawn looks, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Saving stores all of your edits inside the theme. After the save is complete, you're ready to make Dawn your active theme. Right beside the Save button, you'll see the Publish option. Click Publish to set Dawn as the live theme for your store. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you want to publish this theme. Confirm it, and the change will take effect. Your store is now using the Dawn theme instead of Spotlight, with all the customizations you just made. If you ever need to adjust something, you can return to the online store section, open the theme editor again, and continue refining your design.